bread is popping. Ooh, hey guys, hey gorgeous, hope you guys are doing great. I am fine, gorgeous. So today is a hair review. If it's your first time here, thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Chelsea. For the OGs, you know I love you. Thank you for always being there for me. I love you guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. So today's video is a wig review. This wig is from ELFIN hair. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it well. So this is it. Okay, it came in this cute box. By the way, ELFIN hair, thank you so much for sponsoring this video. We appreciate. Thank you. So the wig came in this box, as you can see. Okay, so let's bring it out for us to see. Yeah, it was kept in this bag. I always like it. I say it all the time. When companies take their time to package a wig, they even put a dust bag, put it in a bag like this. I always appreciate it. Let's give them a hand of applause. Let's give them a hand of applause, because you have to do this, okay? This is it. Because the customer, when they buy their wig, if you don't give them a bag, where are they going to keep it? So this is good, okay? Let me open it for us to see. Okay, so guys, this is the wig. A lot came with it. A lot. Pair of lashes. Ooh, invisible HD wig cap. Look at this, guys. I think we're going to use this. I am going to use this. It's my first time anyway. Let me remove this one and pop it immediately. Immediately. Two types that came with it. Ah, this is like this. Okay. They said it's invisible. Alright. Let me wear it. Is this the back? Okay, this is the back. This is the front. Let's wear it to see. Although it's white, they said it's invisible, so okay, this is it. So I wear this to install the wig. Let's see if it will work. Alright, and also there is a met band. Yes, met band. And there is a card with all instructions of how to use the hair, how to care for the hair. Everything is in here. Okay, why is it dark? Why is it dark? There is edge brush that came with it. And there's another card. There's another card here. Okay, so many different hair that they have on their website. Their website, everything, share your beauty and win free hair. Take photo when you receive or install the hair. Post it on Facebook or Instagram and tag ELFIN hair. Okay, we will collect all posts who tag us and choose one winner. By random winner, we get value $200 free hair. Woo, that's great. So in case if you buy the hair, just take pictures, put it on Instagram, tag them, okay? Then you might be the lucky winner. All right, that's aside. And this is the wig. It is 14 inches and it's coily. They are inbuilt. This one is inbuilt and this one is inbuilt also. I want it to be very, very tight. Okay. Woohoo, guys. Hope it's not too white. Let me see. Is it too white? No, let me go back. Okay. It's better. This way. I'm looking downward. You should know that I'm looking at my mirror. Is it side or center? It's like it's side. Okay. It's like it's side like this. All right, his side. So let me make the parts very straight. Where is my comb? I came with a comb. Let me even see whether this hair share. No, I like the length. Oh, I really love this length. See this? Okay. I would have loved it to be center. Should we do center? This side. Let me do center because I love center part. I don't like this side part. You can leave it side, okay? Here's my center. This is my center.
Ceiling fan blowing cold breeze on your body. I can't tell you really what it is, but you got it. Makeup in the morning, you got dresses in your closet. But
am I right with the center? Here.
Giving interviews, I'm just saying I'm amused. But you ain't even flexing. And you cool, tatted up, cover rooms different.
Normally I use brown wig cap, but this one that is white like this, they said it's going to transform. Let's see. It will melt. They said it's invisible, so we'll see how invisible this will be. I like center, I don't want that side. So we do center. We will do center, not side.
Flexing, but you ain't even flexing. But you ain't even flexing. But you ain't even flexing.
So in case if you're interested, the direct link will be on the description box. And if there is any discount code, it will also be on the description. So you check it out. Because this one is white and this is not that brown, so I'm going to use airbrush legs on it. I'm just going to spray this on it. It's long. I use this very long. It's long. I do use this back in the days. So I'm just going to spray it. So by the time you spray, this is how it will look like. You can see the difference. See this side and see where I spray the airbrush legs. You can see, so we're just going to pop this on. Okay, I'm going to cut the excess lace from it. I think we're going to add hair mousse to see, but I just want to leave it like this first.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be. Life with no distractions, we'll get away. This is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out.
So guys, this is the final look without it being wet. I'm still going to wet it, okay? So let me use hair mousse. I'm going to drink from it.
Looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it some.
So that is it, guys. I'm going to leave the link on the description box, so if you're interested, check that out. If there's any discount code, it will be on the description box as well. Alright guys, I will see you guys in my next one. Till then, remain gorgeous. Bye.